This video will give an overview of everything clinicians need to know to get up and running with Constant Therapy. Let's take a tour around your Constant Therapy Clinician app. When you sign in for the first time, you will be prompted to create your first client account. We recommend you first create a demo client so that you can get a feel for the app. Complete a profile for this demo client, and then you can explore the exercises and features of the program. Then, do this same process to create separate usernames for each of your clients. That way, you can personalize each person's program and assign the right exercises at the right difficulty level for homework. You will access therapy exercises and customize your client's program from this screen. On the left is the complete library of over 80 exercises. Constant Therapy is used for many diagnoses like stroke, traumatic brain injury, and dementia from mild to severe impairments, so there's exercises of all types and levels available. Tap on a skill folder and you can access all of the exercises that target that skill. Exercises are generally listed in a hierarchy of difficulty level. You can also search by exercise name here. On the right is your client's home program. When your client signs into Constant Therapy at home, they will be given these exercises. We have suggested some exercises to try based on the skills you've selected, but you can make changes and it will automatically update your client's homework. Here you can add a task, delete a task, change the order, change the difficulty level, and change the item count. You can also tap on your client settings to further personalize their program. Now let's talk about the client program. Now for this client to do homework, they will download a different app for clients called Constant Therapy on their own device and sign in with a username and password you created for them. Constant Therapy will remember your client so they don't need to sign in every time. All they have to do is tap Start and begin the exercises you've assigned them. The app will automatically adjust the levels and type of exercises with their progress. Feedback is provided after each exercise, and there's reports available to keep your client motivated. Some clients do not get set up with an account by a clinician. They either found Constant Therapy independently or their clinician told them to go home and get started on their own outside of the session. If a client is not set up with an account by their clinician, they can download Constant Therapy and tap on Start a free trial. Because a clinician has not created a homework program for them, we will help them get started. Your client will identify what skills they want to work on. Next, we'll guide your client through a brief assessment about their current abilities so that Constant Therapy can build a personalized plan that's right for them. Then your client will get exercises at the right difficulty level and adjust with their performance. If a client got started on their own, you can always link your Constant Therapy clinician account with your client's account later and manage it going forward. And if you prefer that your client's homework does not automatically get harder or easier based on their performance, you can choose to turn this feature off to manage their homework entirely yourself. Another benefit to having your clinician account linked to your clients is that you can track your homework progress and performance in the report section. The Constant Therapy Clinician app has robust data and analytics available to the clinician. For example, clinicians can view completed homework, see activity history, and track intensity and frequency of practice. The reporting capabilities are quite extensive, and you can get even more granular by viewing the progress note as well as the detailed reports table. Finally, Constant Therapy has a fantastic support team for you and your clients. Your clients can always have someone to contact between sessions and after discharge. Thanks for watching this Constant Therapy overview. There are other how-to videos that explore specific topics in more detail, so be sure to check them out on our website.